Okay, I know you want to know how much YouTube pay me for a million+ view video. How much does YouTuber actually make? Now, I've never shared some of the details before, but I know that you're curious. I know a lot of my fans, you follow my work and you are a subscriber of my channel. I'm gonna take you behind the scenes. I'm also gonna give you 3 tips that will help you to generate more money from your YouTube channel. Now, before I get into it, let's do a quick test. Comment below and just take a guess how much you think YouTube pay me for a 1 million+ view video. Go ahead, comment below, see if you guess it right. Now, I picked 3 videos here that have done over 1 million views. They have generated over 1 million views. And they're all pretty close. So here's the first one. The whole truth about passive income and financial freedom. Now, that video has gotten over 1 million views. It has generated over $1,105.18. Now, what I want you to know is also this. I've only recently turned on the monetization, meaning that now I allow advertisers to advertise on my channel in between my videos. I've only done that recently. So if I would have done that earlier, that number would be much, much greater. So just for the last few months or so, that's how much that particular The Whole Truth video made me, about $1,000-ish. Now, what's fascinating is this. Here's another video, and that is, don't start a business until you watch this. Don't start a business until you watch this. That video also just slightly over 1 million views. That video generated $3,122.75. So 3 times more money from Google AdSense, what Google pays me, almost the same amount of views. You're like, what is going on? Let me share one more with you. And that is, clients say, I'll get back to you and you say, which is a sales training video that I did. That video generated $7,289.55. All 3 videos, all over 1 million+ views. One is $1,000, $3,000, and $7,000. Why? How does this happen? First of all, let me share with you. When it comes to monetizing your YouTube channel, there's more than one way to monetize it, but most YouTubers, they monetize the channel by AdSense. Tip number 1, the niche that you pick has a huge factor when it comes to how much you get paid. Example, let's say you have a video that is a prank video that is talking to a very generic audience. Maybe that video you have over 1 million views, but you will get paid very little money, maybe $1,000, maybe only a few $100s. On the other hand, I have a video that is very specific, that is talks to a business audience, an entrepreneur audience. So to advertisers, that is way more valuable to them, because at the end of the day, are bidding, right? They're bidding for that space on the YouTube channel, those ad space. And to them, that's way more valuable. So that's why you have the difference. So the broader the audience, usually it's less valuable to the advertiser. Does that make sense? Tip number 2 is this. The length of the video. If your video is 10 minutes long or longer, you'll be able to insert what I call a mid-roll ad. So you have the pre-roll, you have a mid-roll ad. So that's another opportunity for advertisers to advertise on your channel on that particular video. That would also bring in more AdSense dollars revenue for you. Number 3, this is critical and this is very important. If your video has some kind of call to action, meaning in terms of topic, there's some kind of call to action, it is also more valuable, meaning the advertisers are willing to pay more money to be in front of that particular audience. So let me give you an example. Instead of just a prank video, which is very generic, it's entertaining, you get a lot of views, that's one thing. But if you have something like, example, what I have, how to invest, how to lose weight, right? When you talk about how to invest, then a lot of the financial planning companies, insurance companies, investment companies, they're willing to pay big dollars to put ads on those videos. how to lose weight, weight loss, huge industry. Companies, businesses, they're willing to pay top dollars to be in front of that particular audience. If you have something that's it's fun, it's cool, but it doesn't actually solve a problem for people, it's not a very compelling topic, it doesn't have that call to action, it's not problem solving, it's not problem oriented, then you would get less dollars in terms of AdSense. So there you go. That's how much YouTube pay me for a $1 million+ video. Could be $1,000, could be $3,000, it could be $7,000. It is like a 7 times difference. And there are so many more techniques and so many more tricks and so many more hacks when it comes to how to monetize your YouTube channel and how to actually generate a full-time income as a YouTuber. Actually, I have a full-on in-depth program that walks you step by step on how to do this called Tube Your Own Horn. You can click the link below and watch my preview webinar and learn more about it. I think you'll find that very, very valuable if you have a goal, if that's what you want to do, to turn your passion, your skill, your knowledge, to turn what you love to do into a full-time career on YouTube. So click the link and check that out.